Adobe's Max conference revealed 11 exciting experimental tools and features in this year's Sneak program. Sneak is a platform to showcase future technologies and gauge public interest, influencing potential development paths. Not every Sneak innovation showcased will find its way into Adobe's product catalog, but it is worth checking out what they have been up to. Project Startdust by Aya Filaman is a groundbreaking object-aware editing engine that leverages the capabilities of artificial intelligence and generative AI to revolutionize the image editing field. This technology streamlines the often time-consuming aspects of image editing, including background filling, outline selection, lighting and color blending, and more. With Startdust, users can effortlessly select and reposition objects within a photo, and the software seamlessly fills in the background to create a harmonious composition. Additionally, Startdust offers a hassle-free solution for removing unwanted objects or individuals from photos with a single click. It can even identify and remove multiple distracting elements simultaneously. Startdust has a generative fill function, empowering users to easily insert new objects, like a dog, into photos and manipulate them, as if they were initially part of the image. Startdust's capabilities extend to automatically completing objects, such as a person, even when they are partially concealed behind another object in the original photo. This enhances the flexibility of editing and opens up new possibilities for creative endeavors. Project Primrose, spearheaded by Christine Dirk and showcased at Max through an interactive dress, brings this innovative concept to life using wearable, flexible, and non-emissive textiles. These remarkable textiles allow an entire surface to showcase content crafted with Adobe's tools. With Project Primrose, refreshing your look is as simple as clicking a button. This digital dress empowers wearers to change and animate designs on the fabric in real time dynamically. It offers a platform for designers to effortlessly experiment and switch between different designs, much like the iterative process in Adobe Illustrator. Christine Dirk and her team didn't just design the digital aspects. They physically crafted the dress, meticulously stitching and embedding the technology into the fabric. Project Primrose paints a vivid picture of the future of fashion, where garments become dynamic and interactive, offering new ways for individuals to express their creativity and style. Yisho's project Poseable streamlines the creation of 3D prototypes and storyboards, all accomplished in mere minutes, thanks to the prowess of generative AI. This technology empowers you to transform concepts into intricate artwork. Employing AI and 3D modeling simplifies generating images from sketches and text prompts, particularly for graphic novel creation. Project Poseable offers the remarkable ability to transfer poses from one image to another, as exemplified by applying a kung fu pose from a stock image to a 3D Princess Knight model. It leverages the dimensions of 3D space for precise character and object placement, seamlessly utilizing AI to fine-tune character poses for a natural and contextually fitting appearance, such as sitting on a chair. Project Poseable possesses significant potential for creators, even those lacking extensive 3D modeling expertise, enabling them to breathe life into their narratives. In today's global landscape, establishing trust with international audiences is more vital than ever. Enter Project DubDubDub, a groundbreaking application of generative AI that automates the dubbing of videos and audio clips in over 70 languages and across more than 140 dialects. This innovative tool seamlessly translates and matches the speaker's voice, tone, cadence, and the original video's acoustics. Introduced by Zheyu, DubDubDub is a project tailored for content creators seeking to expand their audience across language barriers. The demonstrations showcased the simultaneous dubbing of an audio sample into multiple languages, highlighting the accuracy and authenticity of the dubbed voices, which appeared remarkably natural.
お客様との信頼関係の作りもつながると思っております。Creemos que también conducirá a la construcción de relaciones de confianza con nuestros clientes. Wir glauben, dass dies auch zum Aufbau vertrauensvoller Beziehungen zu unseren Kunden führen wird.
The technology's potential shone through when applied to an older video, demonstrating its capacity to dub historical and archived content into different languages. This opens up the possibility of introducing classic content to new, non-native language-speaking audiences. Project FastFill showcases a groundbreaking use of generative AI, making video editing as straightforward as photo editing. It accomplishes this by applying changes to a single frame and seamlessly propagating them throughout the entire video. In a demonstration by Gabriel Huang, we witnessed the AI's ability to remove distracting background elements effortlessly. This was achieved by simply outlining the unwanted elements with a mask, with the AI taking care of the rest. ensuring consistent changes across all frames. Furthermore, FastFill can add elements to videos, such as effortlessly affixing a tie to a person. What sets this technology apart is its ability to handle intricate, contorting surfaces like those found in liquids. It consistently tracks and applies edits, even on challenging surfaces, demonstrating its remarkable versatility. The AI ensures that edits, including color and shading adjustments, dynamically adapt to the video's changing lighting and movement conditions. Project Draw Empty Light, created by Swimadip Chakraborty, assists creators in transforming initial concepts, often in the form of rough scribbles, into refined and polished designs. It empowers users to convey their ideas visually, bridging the gap for those with basic drawing skills and offering a tailored and interactive design experience. Users can provide visual cues through doodles and detailed text descriptions, even going as far as specifying colors and character actions within the generated graphics, all without requiring advanced artistic skills. The graphics can be further fine-tuned and manipulated in Adobe Illustrator, granting users even more flexibility and creative control. Project Neo, by Ingo Quiles Les, empowers designers to craft 2D content using 3D shapes, all without the need to delve into the intricacies of traditional 3D creation tools and techniques. This includes tasks like resizing, rounding corners, subtracting shapes from one another, and adjusting colors and tints, all within a web-based tool. This feature proves especially valuable for swift prototyping or designing under time constraints. Designers can seamlessly transfer their designs to Adobe Illustrator, where all the 3D shapes are transformed into vectors. This enables further refinement and adjustments while preserving high-quality visuals. It also allows changes to the direction of shadows and exploration of different viewpoints and perspectives without manually retracing or recoloring shapes, thus saving significant time. John Shu introduced Project Scene Change, unveiling an innovative approach to video compositing. This technology allows users to seamlessly change video backgrounds, creating a natural and cohesive look, even when the original and new backgrounds feature varying camera angles and motions. The core of this technology lies in the utilization of point cloud data extracted from the scene and the portrait. This data provides vital information facilitating the interactive alignment of two disparate video scenes. Once alignment is achieved, the AI within Project Scene Change meticulously modifies the background, ensuring frame-by-frame adjustments for a smooth and natural composition. It intelligently adapts to camera motion and angles, guaranteeing a seamless result. But this project goes beyond mere alignment and compositing. It goes a step further by generating new elements, such as realistic shadows. This is accomplished by reconstructing entire shapes and casting shadows, significantly enhancing the credibility of the composited video. Project ResUp by Yang Zhou is a remarkable video upscaling tool that harnesses diffusion-based technology and artificial intelligence to seamlessly transform low-resolution videos into high-resolution masterpieces. With this tool, users can effortlessly upscale low-resolution videos, zoom in, crop, and enhance them to full resolution, all while preserving high-fidelity visual details and temporal consistency. This is an invaluable resource for breathing new life into older videos or ensuring sharp and clear playback. When comparing the upscaled media side by side with the original, the clarity, texture, and detail improvements are striking. Manually eliminating reflections can be a challenging or even impossible task. Enter Project SeeThrough, Eric Key's AI-powered reflection removal tool. This tool automatically rids your photos of reflections and optionally saves them as separate images for further editing, granting users enhanced control over when and how reflections manifest in their photos. This tool is engineered for simplicity and speed, enabling photographers to banish unwanted reflections with a single command, saving precious time compared to manual editing in Photoshop. But it doesn't stop at reflection removal. Project SeeThrough also offers the option to save reflections as separate images, unlocking additional creative possibilities for editing and reassembling images within Photoshop. Project Glyph Ease by Diafian Liu harnesses the power of generative AI to craft stylized and personalized letters in vector format, offering designers a versatile tool for creative typography. To utilize this technology, designers simply need to create 3 reference letters in their chosen style, either by adapting existing vector shapes or by drawing them manually on paper. The AI then automatically generates the remaining letters in a consistent style. Designers enjoy full flexibility to edit the new font, as the letters are presented as live text that can be scaled, rotated, or repositioned within the project. The demonstrations showcase the tool's adaptability to various themes and design concepts. Examples included creating letters resembling bread and crafting letters from coffee beans, highlighting its playful and visually appealing versatility. GlyphEase seamlessly integrates with design software like Adobe Illustrator, enabling designers to import sketches that the tool can convert into thematic vector format letters. This preserves the hand-drawn aesthetic while offering the flexibility of digital editing. Let me know in the comments which tool you are most looking forward to. Thanks for watching.